Hey again to all my first grade kiddos. Today's lesson is about counting again. Today's lesson is about counting objects, and as you can see, I am at my house and I have just some everyday objects that we usually have around because you don't have to have anything special to be able to count. We use lots of wonderful little materials at school like counting cubes and Unifix blocks and things, but you don't have to have all of that to count. You can count just everyday items at your house to get a little practice. Some items that I grabbed from around our house were crayons, Cheerios, one of Imogene's favorites, pennies, and some straws. And all of those make great items to just pick up and to be able to count. And most of those are things that you will have around your house. So let's take, for example, if I wanted to count some pennies, or you could use any coins that you have. And when you are counting items, you want to make sure that you count every single item. You cannot skip over any when you're counting. That's very, very important that you remember to count every single item. So if I was going to count this group of pennies, I would start at the first penny and I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you want to make sure that you've touched every single one of them. I can't leave one of them out. If I count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, are there only 4 pennies there? Nope, there are 6, but I only counted 4 because I didn't count every single one. And when you're counting, you have to count every single item. So let's count those pennies again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. And I'm sure you all were counting along with me at home. Now, another item that you could use is any type of cereal. Cheerios happen to be a favorite of Imogen, so we always have those on stock. But I'm going to just grab out a few of these. And another important tip when you're counting, it really does help if you put them in a line or in some kind of order so that they're not just everywhere. You can count them that way too, but it's just a good little helpful tip if you go ahead and put them in some kind of an order. So now let's count these Cheerios together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I hope that you were paying attention as I was counting those and seeing that I was counting each one. I cannot skip any of those Cheerios or I won't get the right number when I'm through counting. So I just wanted to remind you all, I know you all are awesome little math students, and I'm sure that you already knew all of that, but I just wanted to remind you. And also just put out a little reminder that you can practice everyday counting at your house with items that you probably already have on hand. So now I want to challenge you all to do a little counting yourself. So if you can, with the help of your parents, grab some items and show me how well you can count. And you can either take a picture and let me know how many were in there, or you could make a little video like I did of you counting the objects. I hope you all have a great day.